68. Now this division complete. Correct? Now see, these are the questions for your home assignment. You have to solve it and send me on the WhatsApp number. Facing any problem, I will solve your question. Correct? Now, just we have to divide division by two digits, two-digit number. Correct? The same process I taught you earlier, the same process we have to do, and we will get our answer. See, one in from the example, one question just as solved on the page. See here, in this question, it is written that, see here, 700, no, 7,857. 7,857, we have to divide it by 63. How is it possible to divide for you in little class? It is possible because you will do according to my instruction. I told you earlier that if two digits are there, we have to take the two digits from the dividend also. Now see, 60, if we will prepare a table of 63 in brain, in our mind, 63 one jar will be 63. That can be divided here. This 78 can be divided by 63 because at least one times we have to divide, or maximum 9. So this process is followed by us. Now it is 15. It is also correct. Why? Because I told you earlier that whatever the remainder it will come, its value must be less than the divisor, and its value is less than the divisor. So we have done the correct process. Correct? Now see. Now again 5 will appear here because digits are present here. Now 155 is here and we have to divide it by 63. Now maximum how many times we have to divide? So 63 twos are, as we know that 63 twos are 126. Correct? So, little children, dear aspirants, you must have good concept about the tables also. It is not possible for the fourth aspirant to prepare a table or learn a table of 63, but by multiplication we can do it. Okay, if we need such type of solution, just we have to multiply it by 2, 3 like this, and we can just now see. Just we have to subtract here. 23 29 it appears. Now if see here, if any digit is present, yes, other digit is present here, we have to carry it. Correct? Now see, 297. We have to divide 297 by 63. Now how is it possible? It is possible for us because see here, 6 5s are 30, that means it will go maximum 4 times because 6 4s are 24, it is possible. Just I put before you all a simple method from my own side. See, by 6, because two digits or more than two digits, so don't concentrate, don't move from the next digit. The first digit and these digits. We have 6 4 are 24. That means by 4 it is possible. Now multiply this 4 by 63. 4 3 are 12. 1 carry. 6 4 are 24. 1 25. Correct? Now it is 5 and it is. So 45 is the remainder here and 124 is the quotient here. Correct? Dear friends, concentrate. If you will do according to my instruction given to you all, you will do never any mistake. You will not do any mistake ever. Okay? Correct. Now see here, go through these. The same answer it will have. See here, whatever I solved earlier, 124 and remainder is 45. See here, on the page also it appears. 124 is the quotient and 45 is the remainder. The same process we have to do in case of multiplication. And if any multiplication contains more digits, we can divide it. That means the division process depends on the divisor. Whatever the number or whatever the digits are present in divisor, we should do according to the instruction, and whatever the dividend is present, it also depends on the case of division. Correct. So in such a way, we can solve any long division also. Suppose just I do here, see here, these are the, see here, these are the questions for you. Correct? See, divide and check your answer. How can we check the process I told you earlier? Correct? This see, 43 by 11. Correct? In case of dividend, two digits are here. In case of division, also two digits are here. We can divide it very easily according to the instruction, whatever I taught you at present only. And if you will do like this, you will do most of it. Now see, these are for you for home assignments. Just you have to go through these, correct, and solve it. Now here, one term arises here, correct. So these are the topics for you, and in the next class, just we will move in unit 7 chapter. At first, see here, suppose one example just from the book I collect for you. We have to divide 47,356 by 73. How can we do it? See here. Just as solve on the page. Correct? Most accurately, just as solve. By 73, we have to divide 47,356. Correct? There are few examples in case of division when the given dividend and the given divisor are not written in figures. These are written in words. So just we have to write the given number in words, whatever the question in words it is present, we have to convert it into figures and do the process. Correct? As I taught you earlier that count the number of digits present in the divisor. At first, see the divisor. You can see the dividend also, but concentrate about the divisor. Two digits, naturally we have to take two digits here. Little children, concentrate, because this question reveals a great rule for you. See here, the given two digit, here only 47 is there. Its value is less than the divisor. It cannot be divided. So just we have to take three digits at a time. Little children, concentrate your brain here. Why only two digits? Why it is not possible for us here in this case? Why it is not possible for us to divide 47 by 73? Because if we will do here at least one times, it will appear here 73. Its value is greater than this value dividend, so it cannot be divided. That is why if three digits are here or more than three digits, then it will be possible. Otherwise, it is not possible for us to divide it. Suppose if anyone tells us, divide 32, okay, divide 32 by 33. So in simple division, it is not possible for us because this value is less than the divisor. That is why I taught you that at first see the number of digits in divisor. Correct? Because two digits, so we have to take here at least two digits. You are not free. You are not free. You are not able to take here one digit from the dividend. Why? Because in case of divisor, two digits are present here. So we have to take at least two digits from the division. We can't take one digit here. Correct? So concentrate here. See, now move. So 47 by two digits, 47 not possible. We are free to take here 3 digits. We are free to take more digits here. Suppose such type of example is here. We have to divide it by, correct? We have to divide it by here 400, 470. Such type of question arises. See here, 3 digits, here also 3 digits. But its value is less than this. So we are not possible. It is not possible for us to take 3 digits. Correct?
30 मिनट हो गया, आधा घंटा हो गया
कंप्लीट 3 मिनट हो गया,
आधा घंटा हो गया
30 मिनट्स हो गया. ओके.